Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will address two common issues with the Thermomix TM5, the lid not closing properly and the timer selector malfunctioning. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged for safety. Begin by removing the lid. To do this, gently twist it counterclockwise until it releases. If you encounter resistance, check for any food debris that may be lodged in the hinge area. Next, let's inspect the closure mechanism. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the lid. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the lid's inner casing. This will expose the internal components, including the closure spring and latch. If you notice any dirt or grease buildup, use your soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean these areas thoroughly. A clean mechanism is crucial for proper function. If the spring appears damaged or the latch is not engaging correctly, it may need replacement. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the right advice. Now, let's move on to the timer selector issue. This is often caused by dirt or a malfunctioning component. To access the selector, you will need to remove the front panel. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws securing the panel. Once removed, gently pull the panel away to reveal the selector mechanism. Inspect the area for any obstructions or debris. Clean it with your cloth and alcohol, ensuring that the selector can move freely. If the selector still doesn't function correctly after cleaning, it may require replacement. Remember, we can assist with pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. After cleaning and inspecting both the lid and the selector, reassemble the Thermomix by reversing the steps. Ensure all screws are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test the lid closure and timer selector. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You successfully resolved the issues. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help with no calls, no travel, making your experience as smooth as possible. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.